Alright, there you go. Have to figure out how to edit so I can put those so I can put the last clip back together. Anyways, as we're doing, oh yeah, game has to reload. You know what? Let me just join the public server. Anyways, just a quick reminder: my animal company star code, Golden Galaxy, in room.exe. Sounded weird. Okay.
Guys, is this gold or red?
Entrance. That's red.
Gold.
It's both.
Fucking loser. You said red at first, buddy. Haha, stupid.
Oh man, going back into my star code. Oh.
Well, Why are you so gay? Why are you saying you ain't getting your stuff card? You ain't getting
Yeah, but I'm staying in my star code. This might have to be my new room code. And if y'all are curious, why do I keep mentioning this is actually my room code? No, it's not. This is my actual room code I made up by myself. HG1131987. That's my actual code. But that's just for when I go for that's for when I play with my friends. Bro, my grappler tweaking. Oh yeah, and there's a lot of bugs in this update. Cause my backpack is not supposed to be on like this. Yo, is this sick fire? What is it again? Is this fit fire? Oh yeah. Anyways, bags aren't supposed to be on like this. It's overlapping through my body. This is not normal. Oh yeah. Sorry, I got to mention. Bro, I wasn't calling you. Get out. That is solo leveling here. Which, if you didn't know, is a very popular anime based on a webcomic. We got, what is it, a Shadow? No. One of the main characters, guards, Shadow Egress. The reason why I said Shadow Egress is because this is actual Egress, but this is his shadow form. His current form being owned by, is it, Sung Jin-woo. Yeah, Crimson, also known as the Crimson Knight, which is golden name. Sounds cold. New pack. Honestly, I might want to get it because of the goofy eyes. I have to, bro. Come on, I need those goofy eyes. So, yeah. That's all about the shop. Stash has been there for a while. So basically, the new update, new space map, neon boombox, and zero anti-gravity bombs, ladder. Office got moved over here, so this area is open space now. The water tower got moved, which is pretty crazy. I think it's a crime. If you listen closely, you can hear the fan. I had to mention that. There's an easier entrance to forest, which I do not want to go there because forest scares me. So yeah, that's basically the Animal Company update, and I will now bomb little kids. Peace out.
Bro, I'll show you.